Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ramen, step by step. We'll begin with the heart of any great ramen, the broth. A rich, flavorful broth is absolutely essential, so don't skip this crucial first step. You'll want to simmer aromatics such as fresh ginger, garlic cloves, and green onions for at least 30 minutes to develop a truly deep and complex flavor profile. This foundational liquid sets the stage for an incredible meal, so take your time and enjoy the process. Next up, let's talk about the noodles and your fantastic toppings. Select either fresh or high-quality dried ramen noodles and cook them according to package directions, aiming for a perfect al dente texture. While your noodles are cooking, it's the ideal time to prepare your chosen toppings. Think about thinly sliced chashu pork, perfectly soft-boiled eggs, crisp sheets of nori, or vibrant green onions. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable assembly process. Now for the exciting part, assembling your very own perfect ramen bowl. First, carefully arrange your perfectly cooked noodles in a deep, wide ramen bowl. Next, gently ladle that rich, hot broth you prepared earlier over the noodles, ensuring they are fully submerged and warmed through. Finally, it's time to artfully arrange all your delicious, prepared toppings on top. Think about color and texture to make your bowl as visually appealing as it is tasty. To complete your masterpiece, consider adding some delightful finishing touches. A small drizzle of aromatic sesame oil, a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, or a pinch of vibrant chili flakes can elevate the flavors even further. Remember, ramen is best enjoyed immediately after assembly, so serve it hot and fresh. Take a moment to appreciate the comforting aromas and the complex flavors you've created. Enjoy every single slurp of your incredible homemade ramen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.